very pleasant evening, one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each of you gathered here for the celebration of KAIZEN 2025. The motto behind the celebration is not just being happy and delighted, but to grab the creativity from the students to prepare them for the competitive world. The spirit of celebration should continue even after the academic life, and dynamism must last forever. To add an essence to this day, we are celebrating KAIZEN. KAIZEN, a Japanese term which means change for better. The concept of KAIZEN encompasses a wide range of ideas which involves making the work environment more efficient and effective by creating a great atmosphere. Before we move on, I would like to call upon Ms. Spandana to lead us in prayer. Kindly rise.
ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರೀತನಯ ತ್ರಿಜಗವಂದಿತನೇ ಸುಜನರ ಪೊರೆವನೇ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮೂಷಿಕವಾಹನ ಮುನಿಜನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ.
Karavali group of colleges, which made an impressive entry into the field of professional education in the year 1996 by introducing the first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazing record of success. With the continuous success rate in almost all its courses and placement for students after completion of the courses, college today attracts students from all over India and from foreign countries. Karavali colleges provide highly innovative skill-oriented university-affiliated courses which empowers the new generation to get the right career break in these fields. The institutions not only provide students with quality education but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle at Karavali colleges. No efforts is spared in providing students with the focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personalities. College has registered continuous superlative performance by successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali group of colleges have 5 independent owned campuses at Kotara Chowki, Vamanjur, Nirmarga and Bangalore, and with more than 30 courses which includes Karavali College of Interior Design and Fashion Design, Karavali College of Hotel Management, Karavali Institute of Technology, Karavali College of Pharmacy, Karavali College of Nursing, Karavali College of Physiotherapy, Karavali Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Center. I would now request Ms. Aishwarya to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, one and all. Good evening, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of Karavali Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, on this memorable moment. Now, I request Mr. Sahil to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, as token of our love and respect. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our dignitary Srimati Lata G. Rao Ma'am, Director, Karavali Group of Colleges, Mangalore. Ma'am has always been a support to this Karavalian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities, showering her endless blessings on us. Now I request Ms. Aishwarya to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. We welcome you, ma'am. I would like to gracefully welcome all the principals and administrative officer of Karavali Group of Colleges present here for the celebration. teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff, and the one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and the media who have come here to witness the celebration. A warm welcome to all the students of KARAVALI group of colleges. I welcome you all.
Thank you. I welcome you too. As we proceed, we have come to the most important aspect of the inaugural function. With great honor, I would like to call upon Srimati Lataji Rao ma'am, the director of KARAVALI group of colleges, and our honorable chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder of KARAVALI group of colleges, to inaugurate and mark the beginning of today's session by lighting the lamp. Was born out of the educational vision of our chairman sir. Being futuristic, he could foresee the changes in the environment and make strategic moves to build a better society. Enterprising, spirited and ever-smiling personality of Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder chairman, KARAVALI group of colleges, is a classic example of hope, determination and achievement. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded and recognized and has earned a fair share of them. Sir's able, efficient and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation and a recipient of several national and international awards given in recognition of his extraordinary service in the field of education, especially in untapped professional areas. The influence of his vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours. Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, to kindly address the young minds.
Namaste KARAVALI. Namaste. Respected dignitaries on the dais, especially Director of the group, Madam Lataji Rao, Dynamic Administrator of the group, Professor KAIZEN, all the principals, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear, beautiful and handsome young minds. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the young minds on this occasion of conducting this KAIZEN, which denotes not only your spirit for extracurricular activities, it also denotes your confidence. What is important in life, if you ask me, all the teachers will say you have to pass with a distinction. That's true. Your parents will tell you should get 1 lakh salary milna chahiye, milega, usse zyada bhi milega. But if you ask me, along with the distinction, rank, first class, along with salary, along with so-called all others, your bungalow, flat, car, what is important in life is satisfaction. Satisfaction cannot be purchased with money. Look around. There are people who get very good salary, very good position, very good chair. Sometimes they don't even do justice for that because they have that inferior complex. Always they have problem. They are there everywhere, the industry, service, teaching, principal, everywhere. Not all. There are few. They always have the headache. They are never happy in their life. You make them to sit here, they are not happy. You make them sit here, they are not happy. There are other segment of people. Girls don't feel bad, especially boys. I'll come to girls later. They have a limited income. Average, this thing, they are happy. Because they are happy, now I'll come to girls also, they enjoy the responsibility. For example, you take non-teaching staff or industry average people. Girls also, people with average income and average position also are happy because they take the responsibility of the family. Especially their sweet mother, naturally husband, naturally kids. What I mean to say is, friends, such functions should not be restricted only for the celebration or one day's enjoyment. The sweet memory, the message what you get, lead your life fruitfully forever. Today you are all young, you have a lot of energy, dynamism is a natural thing within you. But when you grow old, especially when you face the life after the college, you will be successful only if you are dynamic. Here when I say success, it is not money. It is not money, it is satisfaction. I have seen there are some people who have more than 4 to 5 lakh salary per month. Still they murmur. Pura paisa income tax ko jata hai. I have to feed my parents. They even forget the parents have sacrificed for their life. Other segment, entry level only, infos mein mila, nahi to nursing, pharmacy, hotel mein, wherever they are. Salary is not the criteria. I got a job, I will perform. I will perform well in the job. Also, I will enjoy my personal life. I expect that from the students. Money will come automatically. If I can give an example in this stage, Mr. Zeezen, you think he is working for the money? Do you think he is working for money? No. He is working for the satisfaction. Why he should work so hard, morning around 8 to night 12 o'clock? It is a satisfaction, it is a recognition. Students, such function should promote you to be happy, that's all. Whether you are rich or poor, whether you are stronger, average, what counts is a satisfaction. Satisfaction cannot be, purchased with money and position. You look at the politicians, they have everything, end of the day they are never happy. They go on criticizing other party, they within the party. You look at some other people, ordinary bus conductor. Some of the bus conductor, whether city bus or service, students who have experienced, daily you are going in the bus. They know all the faces, they know by name, hi guy, everything, happy. Especially when they see youngsters, boys and girls, they are happy. Don't take other part of it, I am talking the positive part of it. I am not here to talk about the negative part of it. So my dear friends, life is blessed by God. God has blessed us, human life, to ensure that you lead your life happily. Always, 365 days, 24 hours. Now it's a little hot sun. I know, it is a little difficult. At time is also around 5 o'clock. I think your machine started working. Don't worry, after 1 hour or 2 hours you will get something, ice cream or something. See, these are the problems. We go on talking about the problems. I am hungry, it is hot sun, no AC, open ground they have done. Friends, you are learning to face the life. Tomorrow you don't know how your wife will be, how your husband will be. You don't know whether you will be in a position to satisfy your parents' expectation. You don't know how your neighbor will be there and how your colleague will be there. A sort of 10 to 20% flexibility is required in life. Then all will be happy. So that whether it's a hot sun, whether it is a raining, whether it is a chill day, whether you are hungry, whether you are happy, whether you eat or not, end of the day, it is your attitude, mental status, position. So my dear friends, always, always, always be happy. That is the education I am giving in Karavali. Whether you are engineering, whether some other course, nursing, Ayurveda, interior design, fashion design, hotel, that will not make much difference. What makes difference is whether you have understood life along with the education. There are many instances. I can go on talking. I will not deliver a very long speech today. People, those who reach PhD level, even above that, postdoctoral research, some professionals, whether the engineers, doctor, it is not a criticism, it is a fact. They start, like this. You have to open up. You look the ordinary people in this world, ordinary people. Construction workers. Have you ever seen a construction worker dull and gloomy style? My mic boys, so many years they are coming, always they are happy. Kusitu la rajjara, bari kusitu, naarama. They are not crorepati, kotinda naijata, iji. This is a lesson. See, it is a mental status, so always be happy, enjoy. Bhagavan jo diya usme satisfaction milna chahiye. Idhar kya likha? It won't mean that sir told you should be happy, I will not try for promotion. No. You will grow. All the Karavalians will be not lakpatis, will be karorpatis. That is my bet. Clap ilwa. Boys have some confusion. If you don't become karorpatis, your wife will become so that you will be karorpati. So, my dear friends, second, every year we celebrate KAIZEN. Morning till now, you are busy cooking without fire. So many other activities. Now the dancers will be there, singing will be there, variety programs will be there. Here, what is more important, sometimes you feel, I could not get first place, second place. You try for first place. Always you should be first in the life. That is an attempt. If you ask me, what is the goal of life, is to be perfect. But my dear friends, nobody is perfect in this world, including President of India and Prime Minister of India. They are better than us, so they have reached that level. Only one person is perfect in this world. That is the God whom you believe. Whether it is Rama, Krishna, Jesus or Allah, whatever you say. Human being cannot be perfect, but our aim is perfect, for perfection. If you say chairman sir is perfect, no. Chairman can not be perfect because I am a human being. But I may be better than some other people. So ek se badkar ekar ladder you should grow up. For that always you should try, attempt, leave the result to the God. There is a saying, karmanya vadikarasya na paleshu tadachana. You perform your duty, reading is your duty. Whether you will pass or not, whether you get rank or first class or distinction, leave it to God. Otherwise, you are so much tensed. Distinction milega nahi to baap putte, maa putte. What to do? Leave it to God. So, while dancing, while singing, enjoy. You are performing. 3 girls are now ready for dancing. You enjoy, that's all. Friends will appreciate, friends will criticize, sudden mic, there's some problem, some other problem. Don't make wrong noises. Just enjoy. With these few words, my dear friends, get ready for line mein aata hai, send up, engineering, pharmacy, nursing, I don't know. Whenever I say you organize in good star hotel, Ravi says students are not paying money. It's again attitude problem. Students will pay the money. The leaders should know how to motivate. Engineering. Earlier all the functions were conducted in Ocean Parlour, Manipal. Suddenly they stop. I am not talking about the money, 500, 400, 600, what you enjoy. Changes. If you want, you do. Otherwise you conduct in the college. If your principals are not giving chairman's timings, you contact Mr. Zeezen. Because last year one principal told, sir is not caring, he is not giving time. These are all baseless, wrong thing. I will be happy to join with the students. You call me for 10 functions, within 1 month I will come. Just to avoid their responsibility. See, goal should be that students' life will not come back. Sports day, date is confirm ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮೋಹನ್? ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ? 23rd of this month. Which day? Wednesday. Your award ceremony or college day, get ready for all the send-up parties of various colleges, join together or different, whatever you want. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the time. When seniors go out, you are respecting. When juniors coming in, you are respecting. When juniors are coming in, first party will be given by seniors in the name of Freshers Day. When seniors are going, juniors are giving them send up with various names. You keep whatever names you are happy. Because here also, name is not important. Somebody is Rama, somebody is Krishna, somebody is Allah, somebody is Christ. It is not important. Our commitment towards positive and productive work is important. It is not the caste, it is not the creed, it is not the language, it is not the region, it is not even boys and girls. Just to teach you, we say boys and girls. All are equal. God has blessed everyone equally. You should make up your mind to come out of flying colors or come up or reach the expected level what you dream. Set the dream level. Never ever have that inferior complex. That is the reason intentionally I give the example. Finding fault in everything. This will not happen, that will not happen. I can't do it. It is all the problem of the confidence. You should, if you mind, you can do anything. Again I am giving the example of Mr. Season. He was also ordinary staff. He was my student. How he has reached this level, he wanted to reach that level. So message is very clear, boys and girls. You decide where you have to stand in your life. Top, mid, never ever think of the bottom. At the same time, God has His own plans. God has His own designs. Sometimes you may not reach the expected level or dream level. Don't get discouraged. Wherever you are, whatever you are, however style and position you are, just enjoy your life. With these few words, my dear friends, once again, let me congratulate, let me appreciate. Let me repeat once again, especially boys, I think, I don't know, maybe because of the hot weather. Always and always, look at some of the top leaders. Now I stop telling any individual's name because sometimes what happens, it gives wrong message. Sir is supporting a particular party. I don't have any business to support. All my support is reserved for Karavalians. Why I should support some Dom, Dick and Harry when my own kids are here enjoying it? My own children are here. To that extent I am selfish. Do you have any problem? No. So my dear friends, always, always, always. But let us try to respect everyone. Let us respect the national flag. Let us respect national anthem. Let us respect President of India. Let us respect Prime Minister of the India, maybe any party. Let us respect Chief Minister of our state, any party. We should learn to respect, like how we, when your teacher enters, your principal enters your classroom, how you stand up and respect, that is a culture. So culture, coordination and self-confidence, all put together, there will be smile in your face. Once you have guilty conscience, I will not care, dash, dash, dash. I will not care for principal, teacher, CM, PM, whatever it is. Then your guilty conscience will develop. We call it poison. That poison always kills you only. It will not kill others. Like religion, we fight sometimes Hindu, Muslim, Christian. It kills us. God has created. Your parents belong to a particular community, you belong to that particular community. You don't have choice. You can be proud of it. No compulsory is required. All are equal, all are great. Celebrate it, enjoy it, but don't criticize. Don't condemn. Don't trouble others. With these few words, my dear friends, tolerance, being satisfied, and confidence is the basic things. So all other things, whatever I told, will be visible and reflected. It is little early. Anyway, now 5 o'clock it will start. What time it will be? Dark. Always you are over obedient. No sir, you speak. Never. But you are decent. Don't worry, I will not dissatisfy you. At least KAIZEN day and sports day. 2 occasions. Of course, I never dissatisfy you. But if at all you have allegation that sometimes sir is strict, most of the occasions when I am a student, with the students, I will not discourage you. Because that is a basic lesson. What you want, eat that only. Rice चाहिए, rice खाने को है. पुलाव चाहिए, पुलाव खाने को है. Naan चाहिए, naan खाने को है. Pick and select. At the same time, don't reject rice, don't reject pulav or anything else. Have your personal zone. Whether you like Tamil movie, English movie, Kannada movie, Hindi movie, whichever can give you happiness, whichever can make you happy, that is your choice. So, all the best, happy time, and this month alone, I will be meeting you once or twice again, with little more crowd, little more josh. I expect Karavali sound, Karavali clap. I feel I am in some foreign country, some other college. Are yaar Karavali in yaar? Start. This is a problem in India. Everybody waits somebody to say. We are weak in fighting for our rights, but we are strong in blaming others. That time we will have a demonstration. Road acha nahi, nobody will demonstrate. You take Hindu, Muslim, immediately there will be demonstration. Environment is getting spoiled, nobody is demonstrating or opposing. Don't expect me to look this side, unless I get my regular expected so-called happiness, I cannot stop. Because after all, my job is to see that my students are happy. Thank you. Keep smiling. Keep jumping. End of the day, prove that you are all human beings. You are not robots. You are not machines. And dash, dash, dash. Thank you.
Your dedication and determination inspires us to be spirited and motivated. Thank you, sir, for your guidance. We have come to the end of the inaugural session, and I call upon Ms. Jahnavi to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossoms, which springs from the soul. It's my proud privilege to stand beside Ganesh Rao sir, the founder and managing trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, for your indigenous presence. Thank you, sir. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, the Director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion and our also support and encouragement in all our events. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. Our sincere thanks to all principals and administrative officer of Karavali Group of Colleges. Thank you all. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the media persons who captured the moments and placed the record. I thank the teaching fraternities and non-teaching staff for their coordination and support. I thank all the students present here for making the celebration grand success. Thank you all.